In this video, I will demonstrate how to replace a defective screen in a Sony VGN-CS215j laptop. Before starting, make sure to disconnect the AC adapter and remove the battery from the bottom of the unit. First, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the screw covers holding the bezel screws. Once all 4 of the screw covers are removed, use a small Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws. Now use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the bezel, starting from the side. Once it's loosened, it can gently be pulled up by hand in different areas to unsnap the rest of it. When the cover's off, gently disconnect the power cable to the screen. Note that there's another cable on the other side which does not need to be disconnected. Pull the screen slightly up to get access to the 6 screws on the side brackets. Each side has 3 screws. Remove all 6 screws. Now that the screen is loose, carefully flip it over without pulling it away from the laptop because the signal cable still needs to be disconnected. Be very gentle because this is a very delicate connector. There may be protective tape holding it in place. Carefully peel it up and then slide the connector out horizontally, then lay the connector back against the other side of the laptop. You can now remove and discard the old screen. Place the new screen into the same position as the old one. Carefully reattach the signal cable and resecure the protective tape. Optionally, you can add more tape in various places to keep the connector more secure. Reconnect the power cable. Loosen the tape holding the protective cover of the new screen and gently flip the display back over. Remove the protective cover and align the bottom corners of the screen with the bottom corners of the side brackets. Line up the brackets on each side of the screen and insert all 6 screws. push the panel all the way down against the plastic shell of the laptop. More tape was added to hold down the original tape because it lost its adhesiveness. This is optional. The bezel can now be snapped back on, starting from the bottom of the screen. Push down gently on the rest of the edges to completely attach it. I missed 2 snaps along the bottom, which I will notice and fix later. Insert the 4 bezel screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Now you can replace the 4 screw covers. Here I noticed the 2 snaps I missed and pushed them into place. Reconnect the battery and you're ready to test the new screen. Power on the laptop. If you see something other than a cracked mess of colors, then you were successful. That's all there is to it, and thanks for watching.